Welcome to the world of giant woodcutters. Let's explore the power and speed that advanced machines bring as well as useful applications in forestry. These experiences will not disappoint you. Let's start. In Western Oregon, the John Deere 959M propelled by a powerful 330 horsepower engine. This forestry harvester moves through the woods, processing an astonishing 20 trees per minute, with the first stage and the ability to operate quickly and productively. A modern John Deere 1470 machine, combined with a man's skillful machine control skills, make wood cutting work lighter and easier. Thanks to the giant Ponce Ergo 8-2 wood cutting machine, the giant tree was cut down in less than 1 minute. Not only that, cleaning tree tops also becomes easy. Look at the large tree trunks knocked down and neatly aligned by the Ponce Bear harvester in the American jungle. The advanced John Deere 1270 harvester has made the work of men in the forest easier and more productive. The modern Rayco RG80 machine is capable of milling a giant oak log 36 inches in diameter in 10 minutes with ease. With a length of about 150 cm, two advanced machines, Stylmez 881 Tuscarana 3000, 120 XP processed the giant log in less than 1 minute. (1959) Homelight 926, perfectly gear-driven chainsaw that cut giant logs in half with ease. The McCulloch 797 gear chainsaw is in the top 10 fastest saws with an easy handle and simple operating mechanism that can cut logs in half to your liking. In the middle of the majestic forest, the Rotney H21 machine rushes nonstop, demonstrating precision with an incredible capacity of 300 horsepower. It can cut through wood with ease at an impressive speed of 50 per hour. In the heart of the dense wilderness, the Stylmez 362 rises as a strong defender of forest mastery. With a powerful 59cc engine, It can easily cut through giant logs in the ancient forest. 20-inch guide bar precision. Homelight 3000. 100 serves as a solid companion when facing giant logs. Equipped with a powerful 46cc engine that easily handles huge logs with precision. The 18-inch guide bar cuts through massive blocks of wood at an outstanding speed of 55 feet per second. In the heart of America's wilderness, the John Deere 1470 and 1510 with powerful 9.0-liter engines. The 1470 and 1510 deliver an impressive 268 and 314 horsepower, respectively. These formidable forestry harvesters can process 40 and 50 trees per minute. Ponzi machine is fueled by a powerful 286 horsepower engine. This machine combines the art of wood carving with precision. With its advanced cutting heads and sustainable approach, Ponzi plays an important role in responsible and efficient logging. In the dense forests of America, equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine, processing about 25 trees per minute, John Deere combines sharp cutting wheels with heavyweight to make logging easy. The Husqvarna 372 XP's easy grip handle and simple-to-operate motor helped him cut logs with ease. Close-up of the West Coast saw Style 661 FA processing giant logs after the Beech Creek fire near Gates, or with the skillful combination of the man and the giant John Deere 1470 machine, the logs were easily cut and stacked neatly, helping the next job to be done more effectively. Next, the Style M's 462 chainsaw is equipped with a powerful 72.2 cc engine that is skillfully controlled by men. With a simple motor and sharp saw teeth, the wood sawing machine has a precise cutting speed of about 78.7 feet per second. Watch as the VIT-powered hot saw cuts a 30-inch log in less than 2 seconds. Husqvarna 394 XP chainsaw with powerful 94cc engine, demonstrating an impressive combination of power and precision. This chainsaw easily tackles precision jobs, making it the right choice for professional loggers. In Western Oregon, the John Deere 959 stands as a symbol of raw power in the logging industry. Propelled by a 330 horsepower engine, it makes logging effortless and highly efficient. Close-up of the tree cutting operation on his LX830 with help from the TimberMax T20. With a sharp saw blade, the man operated the MS 462 chainsaw engine accurately and effectively. $2,000. When it comes to cutting wood, the Steel MS 170 saw with its compact 30.1cc engine, operating at a fast cutting speed of approximately 52.7 feet per second, the MS 170 handles woodwork with precision the most effectively. In the field of logging, the Husqvarna 562 MEC 218 chainsaw is considered a powerful machine. Boasting a powerful 59.8cc engine, it seamlessly combines raw power with precision. With a cutting speed of approximately 68 feet per second, this chainsaw easily tackles demanding jobs. Amidst wood carving endeavors, the Homelite Super XL saw is equipped with a powerful 58cc engine. It strikes a balance between power and practicality. Operating at a cutting speed of approximately 40 feet per second, the Super XL easily handles a variety of wood carving jobs. In Western Oregon, the giant Monumental 172 stands tall, representing the pinnacle of logging technology. Equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine, it is capable of navigating the forest with confidence. Processing approximately 30 trees per minute, the Monumental 172 perfectly combines power and precision, setting new standards in efficient and sustainable logging operations. The Homelite Super XL chainsaw is considered reliable. With a powerful 58cc engine, it strikes a balance between power and speed. Operating at a cutting speed of about 40 feet per second, this classic chainsaw easily handles a variety of wood carving jobs. Mobile Bagger Boucher 220 mobile excavator with a drill bit approximately 122 cm thick swiftly and effortlessly pierced through massive chunks of wood. Huge blocks of wood were cut down by saws with fast speeds and sharp blades. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.